Hi traders, welcome to Traders Wealth Group. This is Sharma here. Today I would like to show you how my setup is for stocks filtering for intraday is there. So this setup is really good, and we have a stock filtering system, and we have stocks over here, and I'll show you one by one how best the stocks are filtered here and how fast they are shown in our Telegram. Of course, Telegram is not working for until 22nd of this month because of the government's decision. So now, but still, you have the best stocks in your hand. This is the best thing that you can use. For example, today we got the stocks like Trent, GVT, STD, Yes Bank, Hall, KEI, Blue Star Co, Question Ship. All these stocks went well. So let me show you the alert system. The alert system works like this. Okay, let me show you the alerts. Alerts have come like this. Voltas 1400 call option. Let me show you the Voltas 1400 call option. Okay, just open this Voltas 1400. Just type 1400 call option and go to options and just check it how well you got at 9 to 18. So once this close is crossed, then you can go for your buy. Okay, this is see how well it went up. And if you want the same on the trading view chart, so I'll also show this. So let me show you Voltas. See my indicator. This also will be very useful, and you can see the stocks above this are so good and powerful. And then after that, there is a Blue Star Co. That also went well because it is above GAN bullish. So we have a sheet like this, and this sheet will let you know. Okay, first let me hide this so that you will not be confused. First, in this you have three sheets. That is, this is called three in one. You have Nifty data and Nifty Fibonacci, Nifty minute to minute momentum, and Nifty GAN, and this is Nifty OI. And after that, you have Gamma Blast strike prices, and you have two sectors over here, two sectors over here, two gainer sectors and two loser sectors. And this is the date of expiry. You can select your date of expiry, weekly or monthly. Then select your stocks if at all. If I want to trade in trend, then I can go for. I just type trend like this and I select it. And once I select, it analyzes and lets you know what should be done, whether it is bullish or bearish. After the analysis, we get the results over here. And after that, if at all, if you are not getting that, you can also go with the strike price that you wish to trade. So like that, you have Nifty also. You can take any stock, anything that you would like to trade. So now this is the best tool that you will find in the market, and this is installed in your Google Drive. And my stock filtering systems are so good that you won't regret any time after purchasing this, because you will be in a right direction. For example, see trend, I opened it, positive bias, recommendation, call option, focus on call option, analysis 3100 call option above 3108. Once that means once the trend is trading about 3108, we have to buy 3100 call option. So if you want to know the entries are also given over here. Entry, target 2, target stop loss is also given. In any case, if you want to trade some other strike price which is not which is away from this out of the money, say for example, if I want to buy 3200, my entry would be 38 rupees, above 38. And this is one of the best sheets that you will find. I think you won't find in anywhere in the market. And I also updated this sheet with a new thing, that is Gamma Blast. People are asking for a Gamma sheet. Instead of charging them separately, I have included a Gamma Blast strike price expiry details here. What is happening in Gamma, whether zero hero strike price, and this works on Tuesday, for every Tuesday for Nifty, and every Thursday. This is sorry, and this every Thursday for SENSEX. So here also I have given automatically given the master strike price of the gamma, and I have also given the entire details, all the details of NIFTY, I mean SENSEX. For example, you can see SENSEX smart money is normal flow, gamma magnet is 77,200, and SENSEX status is it is saying that asked to wait. In any case, if you want to trade NIFTY, SENSEX by in a non-expiry day, On a non-expiry day, you can select your own strike prices, or you can follow the levels given over here. You can see that Sensex auto levels are given over here, and intraday level status also given, shown here. Sensex is strong bullish by 77,300 call option, entry above 772, put rating confirmed, momentum trade. In this way, you also can easily use this sheet. It is very useful, and you can trade with in the mobile also. You can use this in the mobile also. So once you select a strike price that you of your choice, strike prices I have given here. You can, if you can select your own strike prices. Once you select your strike price, it will be let you know where it is breakout and where to buy. Everything is given over here. Next comes we have stocks, we have Nifty, we have Bank Nifty. Suppose if you want to trade in Bank Nifty, I just select Bank Nifty over here, and immediately when I select Bank Nifty, it will let me know whether it is bullish or bearish. And if it is bullish, it suggests me a auto recommendation of strike prices is also given. Entry, target, target one, target two, stop loss is given. This is a tool. I'm not no recommending anything buy or sell, but I am telling you that if you trade using this kind of tool, then you will be on a right direction, and you will not enter into a wrong trade in any point of time. For example, if you want to trade in 57,800, you will come to know what is the entry price, what is the everything will be shown over here. So that is what I request you all to understand how this works and how it is working. So this is a really wonderful sheet. Those who really want to trade independently, or those who really want to trade, without depending on any tips. This is completely a data driven trading system that you can use this for intraday. If at all, if you don't want this, I can also remove this and only give this. For example, this is the original sheet that has got 3 in 1: Nifty, Bank Nifty, and this has got Fibonacci levels, GAN levels, GAN analysis, Fibonacci analysis, minute to minute update. It works in live market. So works in live. So it gives you the FNO stocks. You can see trend 2950 call option, GVTD, S Bank, Howell. These are the best performers of this day, and these are the put side best performers. So any stock that you want to trade, you can quickly pick on this. For example, if I want to trade in Blue Star Co, thus I can just type 2 letters and get the details, and immediately it analyzes and it lets me know whether the stock is really bullish or not. If the analysis says it is bullish and recommends one strike price, then you can either try this strike price directly, trade in this strike price directly, or else you can take your own strike price. For example, if it is 1700 call option, if you want to trade in 1800, you can select 1800 call option, which is premium is very less, like 9 rupees. So this is how this works, and it works in mobile tabs and also in your systems. So and one more interesting thing is that it has got sectors in the sectors. Sorry, one second. This let me hide this so that it is not useful. So let me hide this. Yeah. So this is sectorial. Any sector which is gainer and which is bullish, here I have written given you two bullish sectors are given under the gamma blast. You can see this here. I'm just enlarging. So defense and for the strong sectors. Under the defense, you have any stock that comes over 100% protection. So class they guided as buyer on the stocks they came down and sectors, and these are the sectors. So this is how it works. Please contact me for details. And at any point of time, I will be available. You can just contact me on WhatsApp. So this is the latest updated. Those who have the earlier one, you know, contact me on 949 and market decision. Has got its spot price and what is happening, and it is a Nifty Gamma Blast spot price, Master Strike. Everything is given over here. So, three kinds of things. You have one sheet like bank stocks and on expiry day. Excellent strike prices, perfect strike prices every week, and you can trade currently. Thanks for watching my now subscribe my YouTube channel. This is a new YouTube channel, and my number is 949-234-0656. Here the number is given. Those who are interested, they can contact me or they can just message me on WhatsApp. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. All the best.